Hey man, say man, it's your boy Zay Sancho back with another video. Alright nigga, so when we famous, you gonna keep that same energy?
Yeah.
The team gonna eat. So if you ain't on the team, nigga, then what?
What's
you ain't
your-
gonna eat.
what's
You
your-
gonna starve then.
What's your about 100, and Trey gonna average about 110. What is view?
Them views though. Shout out to the
Exactly.
subscribers I got already.
110 gonna turn to 1,000 and 100. And then 10,000.
No.
What, nigga, my math off right
Just
now.
got out of school at the car wash. About to clean the inside of my car, so yeah, stay tuned. My car dirty as heck, man. My car is real dirty right. Oh, I farted. Oh, gassy. Ooh, this man butt crack is really showing right now, y'all. He trying to clean it too. Not his butt crack, but the car.
I roll up a blunt or two. Your bitch wanna fuck when she come through. It say bustin' up bricks, I do kung fu. Good day when I shoot and I'm hunting. You caught a coat from an ice hot tree. All black ghosts pull up, peekaboo. I'm smoking that platinum cookie, they're the best. I got the juice up, hold up that hot tip. 4 pockets full, looking like thigh pad. Talking that gangsta shit, no you ain't bout that. Hood rich, I keep the strap in my Louis bag. Fuck on your bitch, give her back, I'm through with that. Could get rich like the sewer don't.
Well, I'm about to go to Jeezy house real quick because I can't eat no more chicken with no syrup, man. So I need some ketchup. So the boy gonna come in clutch and give me some ketchup. But Jeezy really gonna feed me with the ketchup, man. I'm going off the heezy. Even flip, work and jump the ship. And you know I'm clean riding through with the dip. Dipping with the waves like you like Dread Gang.
Got my boy to,
Buddy coming in clutch with the ketchup.
you know what I'm saying? No,
My first love.
no preservatives.
I don't know what preservatives mean. What that?
I don't know. Look. Subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be in the description down below, man. My video coming tonight, you feel me?
Hey! One.
What my dollar at that
Damn.
I gave you like 3 years ago?
This nigga worry about $1 that's 3 years old. Made it back home. Give me something to eat, cause you know I'm always hungry. I'm starving. Oh, shout out to Jasmine. I'm about to make this reaction video, and hopefully y'all see that before y'all see this, you feel me? But I'm not sure which one I'll post first. Alright, man, it's the end of the video. I'm sorry the vlog is short, but hold up, y'all notice? Your boy had to shave the beard down a little bit, had to look a little young. I'm sorry the vlog was short, but I couldn't make it longer because my weekdays aren't really as interesting as my weekends, you feel me? The boy get lit, get turned for the weekends, man. Pranks are gonna be coming, so let me know who y'all want me to prank, man. Mo vlogs coming. What else I need to tell y'all? A reaction video coming real soon, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man, and y'all stay blessed, man. Yeah, running the bag up 2018. Oh yeah, shout out to my boy Jeezy for making a YouTube channel. Yeah, y'all go subscribe to him too, and my boy Trizzy Santana too. Hey, I had a links in the description. You already know how we running, man. 2018, get the bag, man. Huncho signing out.
Got the ass, come all back cash. Give it up fast. Moving up.